Intervals and segments. There are some special symbols that represent sets of numbers determined by inequalities. Let's explain them through the following table. We have the following shown on screen. Remarks. 1. We use the interval symbols for -infinity and for +infinity as it is impossible to find an exact number that represents infinity. 2. When the two limit values a and b are included in an inequality, we are dealing with one of the first four cases shown in the table, while when there is only one limit value present in an inequality, we are dealing with the rest of cases, without the last one. Example. Solve the following inequalities by giving the final answer in set symbols shown in the following on screen. Solution. A. Using the properties of inequalities yields, we have the following shown on screen. When expressed in set symbols, this solution becomes the following shown on screen. Where the symbol epsilon means is an element of the set, or belongs to the set. Hence, we read the result as the solution set that contains all values extending from -infinity to -3, including this limit value, b. Again, using the properties of inequalities yields, we have the following shown on screen. When expressed in set symbols, we have the following shown on screen. We read this result as, the solution set contains all values extending from -infinity to 3, without including this limit value, c. First, we have to make operations on all sides of this double inequality to isolate the variable x. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. When expressed in set symbols, we have the following shown on screen. We read this result as, the solution set contains all values extending from 5 to 9, without including these two limit values. D. Again, we have a double inequality, so we have to complete operations in all three parts of it. Thus, applying the properties of inequalities yields, we have the following shown on screen. When expressed in set symbols, we have the following shown on screen. We read this result as, the solution set contains all values extending from -2 to 4, including -2 but not 4. That is all for lesson 10.1.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 10.1.6, Solving Linear Inequalities in Two Variables. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.